Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Insta360 app for stitching and exports. Open the Insta360 app on your device. Ensure your Insta360 camera is connected via Wi-Fi or USB. Navigate to the album section of the app. Select the 360 video you wish to configure for stitching. Tap on the Edit button to enter the editing mode. In the editing menu, locate and select the stitch option. Choose your preferred stitching mode. For standard stitching, select standard. For more control, opt for advanced mode. Review the stitching preview to ensure no distortions. Make any adjustments if necessary. Once satisfied, proceed to finalize the stitch by tapping confirm. After stitching, locate the export button. Choose the desired export resolution and format. Select your preferred frame rate for the output. Review the storage settings to ensure sufficient space is available. Tap Export to begin the rendering process. Wait for the export to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once finished, the video will be saved in the album or camera roll. You can now view or share your newly stitched and exported video. If you encounter any issues, recheck your settings and try again. Explore additional editing features for more creative options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.